If you look at the drought journey, you will find one thing. See, drought mitigation is not a one-year phenomena. It's not a one-year exercise. Drought mitigation is an exercise which you have to conduct for years so that you can mitigate it. So when we took over, 2500 villages were already under drought. We tried to mitigate, we tried to manage the drought. So while managing, we provided them work, we provided them food. So ours was a government which came up with a food security for all farmers in the rural areas in these 14 districts or drought affected districts, where we are providing them rice at 3 rupee per kilo and wheat at 2 rupee per kilo. We provided them work under Narega. Even today, a record number of people are employed. If you just take Bid district, it is 55,000 people who are employed through Narega, which is a record if you look at past 15 years. So not just this, we anticipated that there will be a drought. So we started planning for it 6 months back. Every single district, the water sources mapping was done. Every single district, a plan, short term and long term was done. And that is why, in spite of 2 years of drought, now in the last 2-3 months, the drought is felt more. And again, due to some unseasonal rains, since our Jalyukta Shivar structures were there, those structures consumed that water, and that water also helped us for 2 months. So every single thing. See, normally for a drought, the government used to start the fodder camps or the cattle camps in the month of March or February. We started it in the month of August last year. So everything was anticipated, everything was planned, but ultimately, you cannot plan the nature. So we took all the precautions, all the mitigation measures, and you see, it is not just the sugar cane. Sugar cane consumes more water is fine, but even where there is no sugar cane, there is drought, and people are facing it. So in one single year, if you would say that no sugar cane henceforth, what is the other sustainable crop you are giving to the farmers? That would create more distress. At least sugar cane, although it eats a lot of water, so ecologically quite unsustainable, but financially for the farmers it's the most sustainable yield. So you cannot change it overnight, you cannot have knee-jerk reaction to it. And it's a crop which is a multi-year crop. So maybe next year we can plan out. So what we planned, we said for 5 projects command area, there will be no sugar cane through flow irrigation. It should come on the micro irrigation. So that is, see, this is the mitigation measure, and no sugar cane henceforth is a knee-jerk reaction. So no knee-jerk reaction can make any decision sustainable.